Hello guys, in today's video review, meet the HOTWAV Tab R9 Pro Max, a rugged tablet, a powerful device built for extreme conditions, running on Android 60 with 5G connectivity, up to 20GB RAM, 256GB storage and a massive 20,080 mAh battery. It delivers impressive endurance and performance. Featuring a 10.95-inch FHD plus 120Hz display and a 64-megapixel camera, this rugged tablet is designed for work, travel and outdoor adventures, tough, smart and built to last. This is the HOTWAV Tab R9 Pro Max in today's review. When it comes to rugged devices, HOTWAV is no stranger to durability and innovations. After a long line of successfully rugged smartphones and tablets, the company now brings us its latest powerful tablet, the Tab R9 Pro Max. Now it's time to unbox it and see what's inside. This is our tablet, but let's put it aside for a moment and take a closer look what else comes inside this surprisingly rich package. Right for the start, we can see that the HOTWAV includes additional tempered glass, OTG cable for connecting additional devices, a standard USB Type-C charging cable, a SIM pin, and what is especially interesting, a free stylus pen. But that's not all. HOTWAV also includes practical accessories. There is even a screwdriver here, along with the hooks and screws used to attach the included leather hand strap. Once installed, the strap allows you to hold the tablet securely in one hand, perfectly for situations where you need your other hand free, especially during field work, outdoor activities or professional tasks. Finally, my personal favorite, this black metal tablet holder and stand. Not only does it make carrying the device easier, but it also works as a sturdy tablet holder stand, allowing you to position the tablet perfectly for watching content, typing, reading or working. It is a very clever and practical addition, especially considering the size and weight of this rugged tablet. The HOTWAV Tab R9 Pro Max immediately gives a sense of strength and durability. It looks exactly like how a rugged tablet should be: massive, powerful and incredibly reliable. The moment you hold it in your hands, you can feel that this is a device designed to survive demanding environments. With a weight of around 1065 grams, this is not a lightweight tablet, but that's completely understandable considering the protection, battery capacity and rugged construction it offers. On the side we find the red power button and next to it we find the volume buttons. Tagged by a rubber cover we find the SIM card slot. The tablet supports 2 nano SIM cards or alternatively one SIM card together with a TF memory card of up to 1TB, giving users flexibility depending on their needs. There is also a USB Type-C charging port protected by a rubber seal, keeping it safe from dust, water and accidental damage during outdoor use. In the center of the back we find the HOTWAV logo, while the upper section is dominated by a large metal camera housing that protects the advanced camera system. Below the camera module we find a powerful camping LED light. This is one of the most interesting additions to the tablet, this light delivering up to 350 lumens of brightness thanks to the 246 LED elements. It can be extremely useful during camping, emergency situations, repairs or any outdoor activities where additional lighting is needed. Further down, speaker grills provide a powerful sound thanks to the Smart PA audio system. On the front, we are greeted by the large 10.95-inch in-cell display with a resolution of 1200 by 1920 pixels. The bezels are slightly thicker, something we usually see on rugged tablets, but in this case that is actually an advantage. It makes the tablet much easier and safer to hold without accidental screen touches. On the top there is a 16 megapixel front camera with a 77.5 degree wide angle lens, perfect for video calls, online meetings, remote work and face unlock capability. With FHD Plus resolution, smooth 120Hz refresh rate and a brightness reaching up to 450 nits, the display delivers eye-pleasing animations, vibrant colors and comfortable visibility in all lighting conditions. Using multimedia on this large screen is actually very pleasant. Browsing the web, social networks and YouTube videos look clear and impressive enough thanks to the large screen diagonal. This may not be a flagship AMOLED panel, but for a rugged device the experience is more than good. The in-cell touchscreen technology also supports a glove mode, which is extremely useful for outdoor workers and people using the tablet in colder environment. Under the hood, the Tab R9 Pro Max delivers impressive performance for a rugged tablet. It is powered by the Unisoc S713 octa-core processor built using an efficient 6nm manufacturing process, allowing the tablet to handle everyday tasks smoothly while maintaining excellent endurance. Graphic performance is handled by the HOTWAV G57 GPU with 2 cores running up to 850 MHz. This allows the tablet to comfortably handle multimedia content, gaming, navigation applications and demanding productivity apps. The tablet comes with 8GB of physical RAM, which can be expanded with up to 12GB of virtual memory, giving users up to 20GB of available memory for multitasking. Combined with the 256GB of internal UFS 3.1 storage and support for microSD cards up to 1TB, this tablet offers plenty of space for applications, documents, photos, videos, offline maps and professional files. Connectivity is another strong point of this rugged tablet. The device supports full 5G networks, allowing extremely fast downloads, smooth streaming and stable online communication. Weather-compatible networks are available. For wireless connectivity, we also have a dual-band Wi-Fi 5 support with both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks, Bluetooth 5.0 and hotspot functionality. Navigation is handled by the complete positioning system including GPS, Beidou, GLONASS and Galileo, providing accurate location tracking for outdoor adventures, professional fieldwork, travel and navigation applications. All this impressive hardware is powered by the massive 20,080 mAh battery, one of the largest capacity available in rugged tablet. With support for 20V fast charging, the HOTWAV Tab R9 Pro Max delivers exceptional endurance for outdoor work. According to the manufacturer, it can provide up to 3000 hours of standby time and up to 100 hours of calling time, making it a reliable companion even in remote locations. And there is the option of reversible charging of the other devices too. The tablet comes with Android 16, which means you can immediately get the latest security features, better battery optimization, more modern animations, and an overall much more pleasant user experience. The system runs very smoothly, and you can immediately see that the software is well optimized. Opening applications, multitasking feels fast and modern. But what makes this tablet special is these AI functions. HOTWAV has built its own AI package called HOTWAV, which combines several different AI tools and services with the system and the GPT-5 tools, DeepSeek functions, converting text to images, generating music using artificial intelligence, learning assistants, document analysis, and much more. For example, you can use very quickly analyze documents, get help writing text, generate ideas, organize tasks, and use AI to help you during fieldwork. Other interesting things is the HD Photo X AI photo editor that allows to remove objects from the image, add many effects, and makes various automatic photo changes. Google Gemini is also integrated to enable more advanced AI queries and faster response. For someone who works a lot on the road or use a tablet as a mobile workstation, these features can be very useful. Turning to camera system, the HOTWAV Tab R9 Pro Max offers a versatile setup design for both everyday use and demanding outdoor situations. On the back we have a 64 megapixel main camera with the PDAF autofocus supported by a 20 megapixel secondary camera that adds extra flexibility when capturing different scenes. One of the highlights is the infrared night vision capability, allowing you to capture images even in low light environments and complete darkness, which is extremely useful for outdoor adventures, security and field work. When it comes to the video recording, the tablet supports high quality video capture with the ability to record up to 4K resolution at 30 frames per second with the electronic video stabilization, delivering detailed video footage. And what does it look like? Let's see further in this video. The HOTWAV Tab R9 Pro Max is built to survive where the other tablets would fail, protect from the front with the Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection, and thanks to the IP68 and IP69K protection and the double shot molding TPU construction, it can handle dust, water, mud, drops and demanding outdoor conditions with ease. It is an ideal choice for field workers, travelers, outdoor adventurers and anyone who needs a reliable device in extreme environment. So after a few days of testing, we can confidently say that the Tab R9 Pro Max is one of the most complete rugged tablets we had the opportunity to use. It combines outstanding durability with the modern features, including a smooth 120Hz display, massive 20,080 mAh battery, Android 16 with the AI-powered features, and reliable everyday performance. So if you are looking for a rugged tablet that is durable, powerful and practical for both work and everyday use, the HOTWAV Tab R9 Pro Max is definitely a device worth serious consideration. So if you are interested in this tablet, which I'm sure you are, make sure to check out the official sales links provided below this video. Take advantage of a current promotional pricing before it's too late, as quantities are limited. Don't miss out on the opportunity to secure your HOTWAV Tab R9 Pro Max rugged tablet today. So that wraps up this review. Remember to like, subscribe and stay tuned for more video reviews coming soon. Bye.